Your biggest enemy isn't your situation, it's your lack of control. For the next 30 days, we are killing the old version of you. First, starve your distractions. Stop the mindless scrolling. Your brain is addicted to easy pleasure, and it's killing your focus. Use your phone only when necessary. Second, own your mornings. Wake up at the same time every single day. No snooze button, no phone. Give your mind a calm start so you can control the day instead of reacting to it. Third, seek discomfort. Do one hard thing daily. Lift weights, run, or study longer. When you consistently do what's hard, your mind stops avoiding challenges and starts facing them. Fourth, audit your inputs. Remove the negative content and the toxic people. What you consume shapes your mindset. Replace the noise with growth. Lastly, choose discipline over motivation. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a commitment. Do the work even when you don't feel like it. That is how you separate yourself from the majority. 30 days, no excuses. Are you in? Comment day 1 below and join our Telegram for exclusive access.